Alright guys, so coming at you with a quick 4-week post-TMR update. Sleepyhead McGee over here, my number one recovery buddy. Not much to report on in terms of progress with recovery. I'm still above my pre-op pain level. I'm hoping that things diminish over the next week or two so that I can finally start feeling some relief, because this is really wearing me out. But I'm just basically spending a lot of time resting and trying to build my strength up, and most of all being patient, which is, I think, the hardest part of this surgery because it is a long haul. But I'm just trying to soak in this special time with my boy. I'm gonna have a clip after this of him playing with his best friend Noodles in the yard. They've been playing almost every day, and that's really been a bright spot for me, and I hope it makes you smile too. So I love you, hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon.